Vlogmas. We're actually doing something today. We're going to the supermarket, Sam's Club, to get some food because apparently tomorrow is a bad snowstorm. So yeah, gonna go do that. Gonna vlog while we in there. Yeah, that's about it.
So you're gonna go? I don't know where to go.
Hello, mommy.
No.
Oh, that's my mommy.
We don't edit that thing out. It stays. Everything
It's
must.
right there.
Everything must go.
Yeah, want to see it, Club? That's it, right? What else you needed? Wrapping paper?
We
That's
should
it.
go. We should go to the one in East End.
What? The Sam's Club?
Yeah. So we can go to Walmart. So I can see what I can get the baby. But he got
recording because I'm.
She's trying to hide. I don't know for what. I don't know for why.
You don't see my face.
So we got the Sam's. Look what I found. It's a giant gummy bear. It's obviously a generic gummy bear, but you know, that's besides the point. So I'm pretty sure he told you guys that we're mainly food shopping because there's gonna be an apocalypse tomorrow. It's just gonna snow. I was kidding. But yeah, so we food shopping just in case we are snowed in for like a day or two, which I doubt's gonna happen. That's cool. Look at the little piano.
Yeah, I doubt we're gonna be there for that, like, thing for that long, but hey, now.
You never know.
Anything can happen.
Ashton, you want something from here? What are you doing? Look at it. Look, Ashton, look. Who's that? No?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess he's not entertained today. Well, talk to you guys in a little while. Bye.
Alright. I don't know if Flynn showed that what we got. What we got? Big old candy canes. They're huge. Can you see them? Oh god. I don't know if that's big enough for a tree, but yeah. That's what my mom said. We need big candy canes for a tree. Beep. Back to what I was rambling about. Big candy canes. Apparently my mom is stealing. Look, she opened the box.
Say that.
She opened the box. She said, look, she got scared. Caught her in
What are we
the,
gonna do with this?
we caught her in the act.
Ashton eats more than this. I need like.
So yeah, what would y'all shop for if there was something like that happening, like a snowstorm that might have days off of work or whatever? I don't know what would like other people get.
Put those chickens in.
We don't normally get canned foods because I don't know, it's just weird. We get cereal and snacks, but yeah.
Hey, you already have one in there.
Yeah, but it's this one. That's what I'm
Oh, that's why you were stealing?
We got the cheap version of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's called Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch. Oh wait, it's limited edition. It might be actually the real one.
No, it's not fake. It's just a Christmas edition.
Oh, it's a limited edition one. I thought it was.
Hit it.
Oh. and then we got Tricks and Cookie Crisp. I don't know if anybody eats that. We do. So.
This is so light compared to that one.
But yeah. We got some hot dogs. We got some burgers. There's a whole bunch of junk food basically. So yeah.
It's not junk food. We live off of this stuff. Well, we fat. So we finished in Sam's Club. We were gonna go to the Walmart that's over like by Sam's Club, but with the whole like situation of everything being closed down, they have like a limit on the capacity, so they have like lines outside, and it's freezing. So we're not trying to do that. So we're gonna go to a different one to see, and if not, then I guess no wrapping paper, and no other stuff that we need. I don't remember what we needed. What do we need?
Canned stuff like habichuelitas.
So we need like the apocalypse food.
No,
Yeah,
a la casa. Habichuela y...
It's apocalypse food.
What are you doing, bro? Just stop. Stop.
What he doing?
I don't know.
He playing with his toys.
Well,
Well-
Megan pushing this.
He's happy. I don't know. Oh, it's Arby's. And T-Mobile. Remember when we were trying to figure out what they were making there? It's a T-Mobile. They made another T-Mobile. Right there, how they were building one. And like by the Walmart, by the mall.
This is not working, so...
All right. Well, talk to you guys later.
I'm at the Walmart. So, goddamn.
What are we looking?
What were we here for? One more? Whatever you couldn't get at Sam's Club, right? So what? Oh, I don't know. Goddamn.
I could use the Walmart.
I totally forgot I was freaking recording. Anyways, oh yeah, that's the thing that she was talking about. We came to Walmart, like I said just now, to get stuff that my mom didn't get from Sam's Club, and I don't know what it is, so we're just walking around.
What's that?
Like,
I guess that's one of the things. Look, see, this one would have been good. Like if you
No.
did a thing with this.
Hot. So you do it.
I'm not doing that shit. I want some wings.
I want the big one.
Oh, the big 7
Oh,
pair
now I
skis.
need to get gummy bears.
Wait, did we get the big gummy bear?
I got the big one.
You sure?
Yes. Your mom told me to go get it.
Okay. I don't know if we grabbed it or not. Well, if you grabbed it or not.
So you told me to
The big gummy bear. Yeah, because clearly we still haven't did the big food versus the normal size food. So yeah, we need a big gummy bear so we can do little gummy bears. But that's for y'all to stay tuned because yeah. Well. Hello.
Lo que me quepa en la mano.
Once again.
So, mi teléfono.
Because Lynn doesn't know how to record anything, so we finished our Walmart run.
Se me olvidó que estamos en Quaker Town.
Because well, not because of anything. We just finished our Walmart run, and we're on our way back home.
Yes.
We got like a half an hour drive back because we went to a different Walmart. So yeah. It's pretty cold outside.
What's Pet IQ?
And it says Vet IQ.
Oh shit. They're that.
That's blurry, and I was able to see it.
It's a hospital for dogs? I mean, for pets? Smarter Pet Health.
What was I gonna say? Yeah, we're in a different Walmart because it's farther. Well, not because it's farther, but
So it's training?
because we need our Walmart to suck. What are you doing? Look at this handsome guy. Wow, mommy. You just turned it off as soon as I was.
Naughty.
Look. You see yourself? You see yourself? He's smiling at himself. Yeah. See when we get home. What's up, guys? We came back from Walmart. I didn't record that much after we got out of Walmart because when we got back from everywhere, I had to help put the groceries back in and all that stuff. But right now, as you can see, Lynn's not right here, but I'm on daddy duty, so I gotta change Ashton's diaper because she had to go do something real quick with her mom. So yeah, so I'm just gonna chit chat because why not? So how was everybody's day? My day was a little bit productive, I guess, if you could say so. Yeah. See what I'm doing if you want, you know, because put his little legs up. Wee. Whoa! That's a big one! Wait, hold on. Watch out, bro. Watch out, homie. Anyway, I don't think y'all want to see this. But yeah.